Good afternoon, everyone. It's me again. I'll be speaking. Only preaching peace and love. But tonight, I'm preaching. You want respect, show someone respect. You want love, show someone love. You want this, show someone that thing. Don't expect it just like that. That someone must show this and someone must show that. But you don't show it back. So, if you respect someone and you want someone to respect you, respect them back. En nog 'n ding is die Kaapstad is van die mooiste maniere mense wat jy kan kry in die hele Suid-Afrika. I will only preach in peace and love. Out.